أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير آمين يا رب العالمين. With the grace of Allah, we have completed ism at basic Arabic grammar level. Today we are going to make our start on fail. As you remember, when we started discussing Arabic grammar, we said that parts of speech in Arabic are only three, and these are called aqsamul kalima. So aqsamul kalima are parts of speech in Arabic are ism, which is noun is noun in English, fail, which is verb, and harf, which we can translate as particle. So up till now we have been talking about ism, and during the discussion of ism we did address some particles such as inna. As we are going to discuss fail, some other particles will also come into our discussion. So there's not going to be a separate topic of particles. We have completed ism, and our next topic is fail. Fail in Arabic is divided into two, covering three sentences. So sentences are three, but fail is only of two. Madi, which is past, and that covers past tense, we call it past perfect tense, and mudari'a, which covers both present and future. Before we make formal start of verb at basic Arabic grammar level, let's recap. We have talked about patterns and roots in Arabic. So if we look at these words in these three horizontal lines, so we do not necessarily have to know the meanings of these words at this particular point in time. But if you look carefully, start reading from here, kitabun, maktabun, kitabatun, maktabatun, katbatun, maktubun, khatibun. You will see soon that three letters are contained in all these words. Similarly here, ilmun, ulumun, talimun, muallimun, i'lamun, ma'lumun, alimun. And then kudratun, kadirun, takdirun, miktarun, muqtadirun, maqdurun, qadirun. So in all these words along vertical lines, we have three common letters here, which are contained in all these words, another three here, and yet another three here. So here we have kaf, ta, ba is common to all these words. Here ain, lam, mim is common to all these words, and here kaf, dal, ra is common to all these words. So basically this three letter combination, which covers Arabic words up to 99.9% of the Arabic words, it covers this three letter combination. This is in Arabic it's called jazr, and in Persian it's called mada, which basically means root. So in conclusion, 99.9% of Arabic words have a three-letter root. And that three-letter root is very important as far as the meanings of those words are concerned, and it becomes easy to work out the meanings of different words. Quite often it is possible to do so. Also, if we look here, I have just highlighted these three words, vertical column, we can say this. Khatibun, alimun, khadirun. If we focus on these three, we will see the pattern. They have got a common pattern. So the pattern here is that of fa'ilun. So these three-letter roots, for the purpose of teaching, training, learning, they have been given the name of not really dummy root, but kind of model root, which we call fa and lam. So fa and lam is our model root. I'm saying model because this is not dummy. There are some words from are formed from this combination as well. So if we look here, katibun, our three-letter root is kaf ta ba, and our terminology is that kaf here is fa kalima, ta here is an kalima, and ba here is lam kalima. That's for ease of reference. Or we can say first radical, second radical, or third radical, or first root letter, second root letter, or third root letter. So in the pattern of fa'ilun, we have fa, ain, lam, which is the root, the three root letters. And when we add alif after fa, that becomes fa'ilun. And along these three roots, on the pattern of fa'ilun, we have khatibun, alimun, khadirun. So these give similar meanings in a way that they give the name of the person who is doing the action of the verb. That's the meaning of all these three words. We do not have to exactly go into meanings, but here we can say katibun is the one who writes and alimun is the one who possesses a lot of knowledge. So so this pattern, this system of root and pattern is very, very important as far as understanding the Arabic language is concerned, and it makes it very easy to learn the language as far as the grammar goes. So we can recap that the first radical is called fa kalima, second radical is called ain kalima, and third radical is called lam kalima. So in kitab, which commonly translated as book, three root letters are kaf, ta, ba, and we will say kaf is in this particular root fa kalima, ta, the middle one is ain kalima, and the third radical is lam kalima. So it is really important to focus on this terminology, and it's not difficult. Rather than saying first radical, second radical, third radical, because we are going to learn Arabic, so we should become familiar and start using Arabic terminology.